In this chapter, we explain AI and IoT-based smart cities and explore how these connected ecosystems become new marketplaces for augmented customer relationships and CRM. We'll see how these AI and IoT-based smart environments connect people, devices, and services, and how CRM can plug into that network to deliver value in real time. Let us start with an overview of the market context and evolutions. In major urban areas, car commuting time frequently reaches around 1 hour per day, and people spend about 70–80% of their time at home. A lot of time to create personalized offers and connections with brands. These two facts tell us where customer attention is concentrated, on the move and at home. Smart city and smart home services placed in these contexts become natural touchpoints for CRM, for mobility, entertainment, commerce, and service support. In smart environments, city, home transport, there is a growing emphasis on providing personalized services that cater to the specific needs and preferences. The market is evolving around 4 pillars: AI, the Internet of Things, autonomous vehicles, and the smart cities. The global smart home market is valued $79 billion in 2021 and is expected to surpass $300 billion by 2030. The key drive are growth in IoT and AI-enabled home automation systems, the rising consumer amount for personalized and energy-efficient living, security, and convenience solutions. Google, Amazon, Samsung, and Huawei have entered this highly attractive market. Together, they shift CRM from reactive service to continuous connected AI-based services, capturing context data from devices, personalizing in the moment, and improving journeys across home, city, and mobility. We see a steep upward trajectory in connected cars. The penetration is moving from early adoption to mass usage, which means the car itself becomes a CRM interface. In-car apps, proactive maintenance alerts, insurance telematics, and contextual commerce. Each additional connected vehicle expands the addressable audience for mobility-based engagement. Mercedes has been selling Level 3 vehicles in Europe since 2022. Fully autonomous Level 5 vehicles should be available in the European Union from 2030. The potential market is estimated to 65 million vehicles within the next 20 years, and Asia is the top hotspot in terms of sales by 2040. The global data monetization market also grows sharply over time. It is estimated to reach to $30 billion in 2030. Therefore, giants like Google and Amazon are developing software cars, smart home commerce to join the small city and autonomous driving market. For CRM, this underpins personalization and services inside smart city ecosystems. In mobility, connected data enables usage-based insurance with premium discounts for safer driving. For CRM, this is a classic value for data exchange. Customers share driving data, brands return personalization, services, coaching, and peace of mind, building trust and retention. Here is a definition of a smart city. A smart city uses digital technologies to improve efficiency, public and private services, and the well-being of citizens. It uses AI, IoT, sensors, and coordinates data across mobility, energy, safety, health, commerce, and public services, creating a connected marketplace where CRM can operate. Examples are smart infrastructures such as transportation systems, airports, communications, resources, buildings, and apartments, as well as various aspects of the city, such as traffic, lighting, air and water quality, waste, energy, etc. The goal of a smart city is to enhance services and citizen well-being. For CRM, that means aligning offers with safety, health, accessibility, and convenience. So relationships are built on usefulness, trust, and well-being. Examples of smart cities include Songdo, Seoul, Singapore, and One Bangkok. A smart city integrates different elements: smart transport and mobility, smart homes and bidings, smart energy, smart waste management, smart security to improve safety and prevent crimes, smart healthcare, retail, and smart government services such as education into a single connected environment. For CRM, this means multi-sided platforms where brands, public services, and citizens interact, collecting multiple big data, enabling context-aware offers as people move through the city. This diagram groups smart city solutions as building blocks of a connected marketplace. Smart solutions concern mobility, e-governance, waste and water management, energy, security, health, retail, and culture plug into shared data and platform layers. For CRM, the value is interoperability. One identity, one wallet, and consistent personalization across services. The smart city becomes an overall CRM hub. A smart home connects IoT and AI-based devices, appliances, sensors, and controllers to automate and optimize daily life. It is a residence that links information and communication technologies with the physical infrastructure and home devices. The aim is to improve the quality of life, optimize resource management, and reduce costs for residents. The home is monitored, accessible, and remotely controlled through AI and IoT, sensors and cameras for monitoring, a mobile app or voice assistant for access, and automated controls for lights, heating, appliances, and security. It provides personalized services that adapt to residents' needs, supporting comfort, well-being, safety, enjoyment, and entertainment. Examples include learning thermostats that set the right temperature, smart locks and alarms for safety, and connected speakers and TVs for tailored content. In real time, the system collects and analyzes environmental and behavioral data using AI. This enables remote control, proactive recommendations, and personalized services that optimize decisions and enhance well-being, for instance, suggesting energy-saving routines, alerting to unusual activity, or proposing health and comfort adjustments. In short, the smart home is a continuous CRM and service platform. It senses, learns, and responds to residents, turning everyday living into a personalized, efficient, and safer experience. For CRM, the home becomes a persistent service channel as an overall CRM hub, replenishment, remote diagnostics, and personalized routines, services, and products. Smart homes contribute to quality of life, health, energy efficiency, and environmental goals. There are 3 types of smart homes. 1. Assistance smart homes for healthcare, quality of life, health, and well-being. 2. Surveillance smart homes for data processing to predict natural disasters or to ensure security. 3. Environment sustainable development smart homes for energy efficiency, environment for CRM, personalized care for quality of life and well-being, as well as personalized energy management is very important. This helps to make personalized recommendations, but also personalized energy management to reduce cognitive energy, but also cognitive dissonance, reducing consumer well-being. Furthermore, sustainability becomes part of the value proposition and brand meaning, encouraging long-term engagement. Here is a definition of an autonomous vehicle. Autonomous vehicles, or AVs, link IT, sensors, cameras, IoT, AI to collect, analyze data in real time, to be monitored or controlled remotely, and to navigate in a more Level 5 full automation, or less Level 3 partial automation, automated manner. They perform driving tasks with little to no human input. AVs are both a transport and a digital service space, mobility as a service or MaaS. Navigation, media, commerce, and support delivered in-ride like sightseeing tours, eco-routing, restaurant bookings, shopping guides, accessibility, safety routing. An autonomous vehicle becomes a personal travel assistant for users, tourists. This opens up lots of potential for personalized CRM and customer services. MaaS and generative AI, Gene AI, revolutionize the delivery of these services by tailoring offers to meet the unique demands of each user. They manage the complexity of large amounts of information for users through personalized services to reduce cognitive overload and energy for users, to simplify decision-making processes, and enhance the overall consumer experience and consumer well-being. The typology of autonomous vehicles shows 6 levels of automation, from driver assistance to full autonomy. Level 0, no automation. The driver controls the vehicle completely, with no autonomous features. Level 3, partial automation. The car handles driving in specific conditions, but the driver must be ready to take over. Level 4, high automation. The car can drive itself in defined areas or conditions, with no driver input needed in those cases. Level 5, full automation. The car drives entirely on its own in all conditions, with no human intervention. As vehicles progress toward higher levels, hands-off time increases, and so do in-cabin service opportunities. For CRM, higher levels unlock richer media, commerce, and concierge experiences during the ride. Smart city and mobility innovations and ecosystems open up a wealth of opportunities for customer relationship management. The figure links IoT, AI, mobility, and city services to hyper-personalized CRM, shopping, and service hubs in smart cities. Customer relationship management opportunities are expanding rapidly thanks to smart technologies in our cities, our homes, and our transportation systems. First, data collection opportunities are everywhere. Smart city sensors, connected home devices, and mobility apps constantly capture valuable real-time information about how we live, travel, and shop. This data, when connected to CRM systems, makes it possible to offer highly personalized experiences, like a hotel that remembers your preferred room temperature or a retail app that suggests products based on your commute patterns. Second, CRM touchpoints are evolving. They're no longer limited to websites or store checkouts. Today, multiple touchpoints appear when customers interact with a smart home assistant, use a city parking app, or check into a connected airport terminal. Each moment is a chance to collect valuable insights, strengthen relationships, and tailor the next experience. Third, retail extensions are blending into daily life. Imagine being in a smart shopping district within a smart city. Street beacons send you exclusive offers as you walk past your favorite store, or you receive a dining coupon the moment your mobility app detects you've arrived in a new neighborhood. Fourth, IoT-enabled smart cities create an interconnected ecosystem where devices, infrastructure, and services work together to enhance convenience and service quality. They themselves become CRM platforms. Connected infrastructure, smart traffic lights, intelligent parking, public Wi-Fi not only improves quality of life, but also generates anonymized behavioral data that helps businesses adapt their offers to residents' needs. Fifth, mobility solutions, such as integrated public transport and autonomous vehicles, add another layer and provide smooth end-to-end travel experiences, increase satisfaction and loyalty. Ride-hailing platforms, integrated bus and train ticketing apps, or even connected car dashboards create seamless travel experiences while quietly learning customer routines. These insights enable hyper-targeted promotions, like offering a coffee discount on your usual morning route. Finally, well-being is emerging and becomes a central pillar as a key relationship driver. Smart technologies can monitor health, encourage physical activity, and enhance quality of life, all of which strengthen the emotional bond between customer and brand. Wearables, connected fitness equipment, and even citywide wellness initiatives can track activity, encourage healthy habits, and reward progress. When brands tie these well-being metrics into their CRM strategies, like Fitbit's step challenges or Decathlon's gamified workouts, they move beyond transactions and become partners in customers' everyday lives. Smart cities, smart homes, and smart mobility don't just change how we live, they change how brands connect, engage, and build trust for the long term. This figure frames the smart city and its connected systems as hyper-personalized marketplaces and CRM hubs. Smart cities, connected homes, and next-generation mobility are opening up entirely new CRM opportunities. Once identity, context, and consent are unified, every touchpoint, home, street, store, vehicle, venue, can serve consistent, personalized experiences. For CRM, that means continuous relationships across places and services, not isolated transactions. Take Amazon Echo, a voice-activated assistant that doesn't just automate home functions, but becomes a constant customer touchpoint. Every order, every question, and every interaction generates valuable data, enabling highly personalized offers and building long-term engagement. Google Nest shows how smart home devices can enhance both sustainability and relationship value. By learning a household's energy habits, Nest can provide personalized energy-saving tips, cross-promote relevant services, and even reward eco-friendly behavior, transforming utility usage into a loyalty-building opportunity. In mobility, Waymo's autonomous vehicles are more than just transport. They're moving customer engagement hubs. Passengers can shop, order food, or book services directly from the vehicle interface, creating real-time upselling and cross-selling opportunities on the go. Singapore's smart city and One Bangkok's projects integrate urban services into a single connected ecosystem. Residents and visitors enjoy seamless access to transportation, retail, and leisure, all linked to data systems that allow brands to deliver tailored offers exactly when and where they're most relevant. Finally, Songdo in South Korea is a model for smart urban infrastructure. Its integrated waste management, mobility solutions, and safety monitoring not only improve quality of life, but also produce actionable insights for city service providers and businesses, helping them refine services, anticipate needs, and strengthen trust. In short, these smart city, home, and mobility innovations don't just improve convenience, they multiply the opportunities for brands to connect, personalize, and build deeper relationships with their customers. Even though smart technologies are a managerial and societal priority, many consumers remain reluctant to use them. Only 23% of Europeans and Americans say they intend to buy smart technologies. Just 20% report that they trust Alexa. 66% think smart objects spy on them. 89% fear a loss of control or freedom when decision-making is delegated to AI. 89% also have data security and privacy concerns, yet 35% are willing to trade their data if they receive a 10% discount on insurance premiums. Overall, intent and trust are low, concerns about privacy and control are high, but a meaningful segment will share data when the value exchange is clear. That is why we have to understand the perceived value of smart connected ecosystems to create user benefits and understand barriers of usage and adoption. This is what we will see in the following chapters.